Ye that is hungry, come and eat my body and blood, the food of life. My body and blood, the food of life. Give me the body of Christ to eat as food, the blood of Christ to drink, and I will be filled and satisfied. Nothing will I lack, forever in my life. Nothing will I lack, forever in